Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, faculty of BHMC Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic of desktop publishing. Desktop publishing has provided entirely new means to create print documents in less time with less cost and less bother. Desktop publishing is so called because in DTP system most of the publishing tasks can be carried out on relatively small equipment that can be placed on a table. The advantages of DTP over the traditional method of publishing, including increased control over the end product and saving in turnaround time as the product can be created and printed at the same place. Desktop publishing can be said to have begun with the advent of early photo typesetters, which were a combination of typesetting and computing traditionally. Typesetting is an expensive and labor intensive process for producing high quality print documents. It involves cutting and pasting jobs to combine type with headlines, chart, diagram, and other graphic elements. The inevitable last minute changes are difficult to incorporate in traditional typesetting. When type must be reset or redrawn and headline, type, and art shuffled around on a pasteboard. Desktop publishing beyond typesetting as it produced typeset matter and graphic and a combination of the two. Almost anything that can be achieved on a dedicated publishing system can also be achieved on a DTP system. That includes handling of text generation of graphics, editing of image and outputting. Handling of text. DTP allows one to compose text in a manner that comes close to the requirement of typesetting. It is possible to compose text with well designed, proportionally spaced characters along with justified lines if desired, and automatic and customized hyphenations type composition in a DTP system allows the use of more than one type of fonts and size and characters set more varied than that available on a typewriter or with hot metal composing methods. Desktop publishing also enables the user to create a particular style for the word processing documents as per the look or image desired for the publications. The style may include elements such as font, font size, leading space, before and after paragraphs, alignment, and indentions. Generation of graphics. Artwork and design can be created with the commands of the operator in DTP. Business graphics can be generated by programs that use figures from the data and convert them into required hard or graphics may also be scanned through a peripheral device such as a scanner or drawn with the help of digitizer. Editing of images. The visual documents created by the users can easily be viewed on the computer monitor or visual display unit. It is also convenient to edit and shift around composed matter in DTP system. Desktop publishing clearly demand an effective and experienced editor and an imaginative designer who can make good use of various facilities available in a DTP system. Outputting. The DTP system must be able to produce output on at least one of the device available. Today's publishing standard require the output of a DTP system to be at least 600 dpi or more for the master to be camera ready or for the film in positive form. laser printers can produce acceptable outputs for many users. I hope you understand on the topic of desktop publishing. For watching more videos, like and subscribe TechNet TV. Thank you.